David's trying to make the bed for the first time.
For the first time? You.
What is wrong? What is wrong? What is that?
Oh,
David, that's butt ugly. You guys see how I make the bed every day. I've been showing it in like almost every vlog. Does that look like it's up to my standards? I don't think so. But we'll just let it be because, you know, I guess you live here too. Here, can you put the heart pillow? I'm gonna roll up the blinds, let some sun in, although it's not very sunny.
burning!
Oh my gosh, you're so dramatic. Not very sunny today. Oh, you know what you could do? You can take out these plants and empty out the pots.
Empty them and then what? Clean the pots?
Yeah.
Throw the plant away?
Yeah, they're dead.
Both of them?
Yeah, they're super dead. Starting up my work computer.
Ooh, never mind. Ozark is back. Babe, did you ever watch Ozark?
Nope.
Okay.
We're letting the cats out for a little walk in the hallway. Come on. Now they don't want to come out.
You got them camera shy. If you guys come out and walk. Come on. Come on. Close. Eat. Eat.
Look at James. Why isn't he coming out?
Eat. Come on. Come on, Jinx.
Come, Jinxie.
Benny, come on.
Come on, Jinxie. Come, Jinxie. Come on, Benny. Of course, now he has to come out. This is so weird.
Klaus knows what's up. He's an outside cat. Come on. Benny.
James, why are you here? Come on. Now that I let you out, you don't want to come out? Come on. Come here. Come here. Dixie, come on. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Why are you doing this? Come on, baby.
Go. Go over there. Go on. Go on.
Maybe they don't like the camera. We are outside. I have to drop off some stuff at the embassy where I used to work, and I had to make sure that they send me an email requesting this to happen in case we get pulled over. I don't think people are like, I don't think they're doing checkpoints or anything, but you never know. Because people can still go to the grocery store. So it's not like they're gonna be like, I need to see you go to the grocery store, but it's good to get some fresh air, you know, to be outside, feel the sun touching your skin. But shit's getting real, you guys. Who are you calling right now? I've been fighting with my MacBook for the past like 3 hours. That thing, I don't know what's going on, but I was having troubles uploading some footage, and finally I think I got it. But I had also, in the meantime, prepared my lunch. And can we just take a moment? Oh, you can barely see it. Let me try to zoom in. Do you guys see this bubbling? Yum. Lasagna again for like the millionth time. I'm about to toast myself some bread to eat it with. And David is taking a nap right now, so low-key kind of enjoying the peace here. Today I think I want to start reading my book, so I'm gonna do that for about an hour after I eat. I don't think I have too much like work stuff to do. I just have one assignment that I need to keep working on throughout the day. Honestly, it's best for me to like just work for an hour, take a little 15-20 minute break, and then work for an hour. I'm kind of like back and forth in like my assignments and doing work stuff. Let me see. Oh, I'm in the process of also looking for a primary care physician because I just got new health insurance, and finding a doctor is quite stressful. I don't know where to start. I don't know. I don't know. So I have to like go through each person on the list and look for reviews. I think ZocDoc is a pretty good source in finding like honest reviews on doctors. That's what my old job used to do. I used to work for an eye doctor, and we used ZocDoc, and I found that their services were really helpful in finding a physician that's right for you. I'm also planning out my next 2 years at Mason. So let me just show you guys what I do. So here, okay, focus, okay. I have like my plan for this semester. That's what I'm taking right now. And then I have my summer classes that I want to take. But here's the thing, I don't know if I'm going to be able to take these two. We're gonna be under quarantine until June 10th, so this class is gonna be strictly online. This one possibly, so we'll see. This class is Thursdays 7 to 10, and then Saturdays 8:30 to 11, and then the next class for the next round in the semester is June 22nd to July 25th, Monday, Wednesday, Friday from 7 to 10. So that's pretty intense. 3 nights a week. So we'll see. And then I have planned, as you guys saw, 2 more classes each semester for the next 4 semesters. My goodness, I feel like I'm never gonna graduate. If you are a transfer student and you're working full-time and also studying, I recommend taking it slow, because on my first semester at Mason, I tried to take 3 classes. Not gonna happen. I know you think it's possible. I know when you came from Nova, you were able to take 3 to 4 classes and still work full-time. It's not gonna happen at Mason, I can promise you that. I thought the same thing. When I was at Nova, I was able to take classes full-time and work 40 hours a week because the work was manageable. All Nova professors know that we're all pretty much working students, and also the workload in general and the level of curriculum that you get at Nova is, just your associates. So it's all basic, like not basic knowledge, but it's the classes that are in the hundreds and 200 levels. Once you get to Mason, honey, it ain't the same. Still, I think 80% of the students at Mason are commuters, and even my professors, especially evening ones, they're all adjunct, so they also have a full-time job, but the curriculum and the content you're learning in general is just higher level because they're taking 300, 400 level classes. So anyway, if any of you watch this and you are either in the process of transferring, or you're going to transfer, or you're getting back into school and you're thinking about, going to Mason, just keep that in mind. If you're working full-time, do not take more than 2 classes. Honestly, even one semester, I'm just going to take 1, because one of the classes, financial management, apparently is super duper hard, and everyone that I've met in my classes have told me that if you're working, to just take that class by itself, because that's how intense it is. So yeah. Okay, I think my lasagna's done now, so let me take it out of the oven. Oh my goodness, you guys. Look at that bubbly deliciousness. So good. Very excited to eat this. I'm gonna slice my French bread now. I totally forgot about that. I got distracted talking to y'all about my life. I don't have a toaster, so I'm putting my bread in the broiler. It does the job, and I'm gonna pop on some YouTube videos and eat. I have a really bad habit of watching stuff and eating at the same time. I hear that's not supposed to be what you're doing, but you know what? That's what I'm doing today. I'm gonna make a pound cake because we have strawberries that we need to eat and some heavy cream, so I'm gonna make whipped cream out of that. Buttermilk pound cake. I found this recipe online. I just saved it in my notes. If you're interested, I can put it in the description box. Editing Talia, please remember to put it in the description box. Thank you very much. Let's see. Step 1, preheat oven to 325 degrees, which I will do. I need to get this out of the oven first. My other tray of lasagna. Alright, 325 degrees. It's about 325. Grease 1 9 or 10-inch tube pan. I have this bad boy that I haven't used in like years, but I'm glad I have it now.
Hey, what are you making?
I'm going to make a pound cake.
Pound cake?
Pound cake! Slight pause in production, you guys. I thought I had buttercream, but I don't. I have heavy whipping cream. But Google says I can substitute it. So we'll see how this goes. So now we wait for the pound cake.
Move.
It says do not open the oven for 60 minutes. So the timer is set.
Can we try feeding the kids, please?
They ate late
She
today.
got children.
They ate late today, so they don't need to eat early.